Hi guys, back to another video. In this video, I'll be unboxing some Pilot Friction Clicker pens and a eraser and some other stuff. But this is quite cool because I'm a lefty, and if you're lefty, if you write with a pencil, you get all pencil mark at the back here, and it's a quite big pain. But with the pens, they don't happen. But of course, in school, you also need some erasable pens, and this is a really good deal. And they're also not very expensive. This is the original one. This is 0.7 clicker, and this is the non-clicker. And let's get into it. This is a 0.5, I believe. So let's start. This is the first time I actually bought it in a box, so that is why I'm quite interested. Just like that. Quite simple. So you got the eraser, the friction eraser. These are the two 0.5 pens, and I'm surprised this is open. And here you got some extra inks. So as you can see, this is the new one, 0.5. It's nice. Okay, this is the new color. So this is the blue. As if you go for the blue from last year, okay, this is different colors. But if you go from last year, it will be the complete whole thing blue, as this one here has black on the tip and the end. That's super cool. And another difference is, of course, you also have this is 0.5, but this only sold in Asia, as this is 0.5, thinner, more accurate. You can also see the tip differences. 0.5 from this here is a ball, so it's a little micro ball, as the 0.5 from last year wasn't. Okay, so that's another difference. The old one has this cool thing as when you open it, the X is low. As this one here, I thought it was the same, but it's just printed. So, but I have to say it looks better. It just says to open this. The new ones fit for all of them, even the old ones. That's quite nice. And this is a pack of 3. They're always pack of 3. The tip is gray. That's something new. And it's quite easy to replace it. I'll just replace this one here. So you open it. You just take it out. It's that easy. You know, so it's this thing here that opens. I think it's so super cool. And here on the top is the eraser. Or just, you can use this eraser here. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it. And I hope I see you in the next video. And yeah. And how do you like my new logo? Bye.